lot of free play here. It's like I'm changing a gear without changing a gear. I hate it. The main thing I messed up is that I didn't repair it when the paint was stripped. I could have just cut it and put a new pin here. I wanted to grind it and make a sleeve here, but the problem is it's tapered. So we have to add some material here. Since I don't want to weld it, I'm considering brazing. A lot less heat. If I heat it too much, I'll mess up the paint here. I'll try to protect it with a rag dipped in the water, and then I'll try to build a little material here. And second thing, ball joints. They're super loose. The original, of course, are expensive and it's hard to get them. I'll replace them with a new type of ball joints that are closed here and sealed. Yeah, this is tight right now. I have a brass washer and then stainless steel washer made on lathe. This is the entire free play. Very good. Watch the full build here.